All right, so why do you guys on the comments on my gaming channel? Just I'm gonna put that my intro is actually on cringe. Well, I have a solution potentially, and it's called changing the intro. Now, how on earth have I accomplished that? Well, first of all, I've opened up Wondershare Filmora here. So yeah, I have actually opened that up here, and actually got a template already created. As you can tell, it is the most basic of basic templates that you can pretty much create here. So I'm not going to show you guys how it's complete. That's all on you. And now, guys, we can go ahead and load in CapCut. And keep in the note, guys, that the original frame rate was at like 24, 25 frames per second. So everything is like a little bit choppy. And now we'll go ahead and I'm going to play you guys a sample of a very quick sample of what I'm doing here. Yeah, like right up here. So I have rendered this video as it is, and then after I've accomplished that, I close out the editor, and then I thought to myself, what could I do to convert that video's frame rate into something like 60 frames per second. Well, I've actually thought to myself to actually give myself a frame GUI. Yes, I have looked up a tutorial of how to figure that out. And if you guys ever want to use this type of tutorial, stay tuned to this video here, because I will show you guys how to pretty much convert any video that is below 30 or exactly at 30 frames per second to like around, let's say, 60 frames per second. So first things first here is to select your input, and I'm going to this video right up here. Alright, so going on to settings, so your encoding, you can just leave it the way it is, like right here, and click on this check box right here, and you can, and this is optional right here, because it says uses AI for better quality conversion, but be aware though, in parentheses it says slower and may not work on all PCs. Well, that is technically incorrect on a good reason, because however, you can only, and I repeat, sorry about that, guys, I was just sliding my Snapchat to the other screen here. So yeah, the only thing that you guys should have at that point forward is a high-end processor. Like how do I know? This is what I mean. And Intel Core i5 11400H. So I'm gonna keep that minimized here. And upscale, it's great because it's a 1080p video in the first place. So your target frame rate, it could be anywhere from 15 all the way up to 240. But just because I'm going to keep it at 60. And that is pretty much it for this version right here, guys. I mean, you can go ahead and add this well, add in an output on destination. Like, for example, let's go to vids right here. You can pretty much save this anywhere as a good matter here. I'm gonna call this my Z Alpha Gaming intro, so you guys have a general idea what can happen for my upcoming video here. Alright, so now we can go ahead and click on add job, and add a job with your following ID. So we can go into the queue that you see the ID. Apparently I have this one canceled for some odd reason. So yeah, and you can always refer to the settings tab right here. Okay, now usually go back to main and click on start. Initializing components, this may take some time, and this may use your processor to the max, because this right here, using AI, it is resource heavy, I'm telling you, and this can make your GPU usage at your highest, and it can maximize your CPU usage. Or if you have a faster CPU, like the latest Intel, like example, like a 14900K, that would be at very high or at maximum, just like my processor is. Or it can just be like capped around in the 90s. Kind of like my processor right here, and same with my GPU. Both processors are at the highest until this is all complete right here. Alright guys, so after you are all done with that, all you gotta do is close out your window here. And you gotta have and then you can go ahead and have a comparison between them two. So this one right here is the original frame rate. I can go into the properties and go to alright, there we go. Go to the properties and you can see right here, this is at 24 frames per second. Now with this one right here, going to the same location, notice that this one is now at 60 frames. And we're going to pull a comparison between them two, starting with the original. Yeah, that's its original frame rate too. And now we can go ahead and open up the converted one. You guys can see it is a lot smoother. So yeah guys, that is pretty much it of how I can make my new intro for my gaming channel. Hope this video finds you helps you gets a push in a right direction. And I will see you guys in another video.